Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah. For today's video, we're going to be doing this super easy, colorful rainbow lower lash line. This look is so pretty and super easy, really beginner friendly. But yeah, make sure to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. And let's go ahead and get on with the tutorial. Okay guys, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. I primed this eye. I use L'Oreal Full Wear Concealer. And we're gonna be using the James Charles palette again. This is like my only super colorful palette, so I use it a lot when I want to do a colorful makeup look. So I've already did this before on camera, like I literally just filmed this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and probably not talk during this and just play music and speed through it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, since we're doing a colorful lower lash line, I'm going to do that after I do my whole base. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation in Porcelain. I'm just going to take this M439 by Morphe and just start to work this into the skin. Okay, so now that we've done foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Full Wear Concealer, and mine is in the shade Eggshell. And I'm just going to put this underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to take my Morphe sponge and just blend this out. Okay, I'm just going to set that with my Maybelline Fit Me powder like I always do. I'm going to use the E3 brush and just set. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and bronze. And then we'll do the lower lash line. So I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula and my M527 brush. I'm going to contour today with the M405 brush. This is just an angle brush. I'm just going to contour with that instead of my usual. Thought I'd just switch it up. So I'm just using the same bronzer. And I'm just going to go ahead and bake. I'm using my same Maybelline Fit Me powder. We're just gonna bake underneath the eyes. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the lower lash line. So we're gonna start on this side. I'm gonna use the yellow. Actually, we'll go ahead and do the yellow on both sides. I'm just gonna use this Dose of Colors brush. It comes in our palettes. I'm just gonna pick up the yellow shade in this palette. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this orange right here and just put that right beside the yellow on the lower lash line and blend it in with the yellow. Okay, so now, actually I might go in with this shade first and then go in with this hot pink. Okay, and now I picked up some of the red just to enhance that color just a little bit, so now I'm gonna go with the pink. And I'm gonna go ahead and just push that in down here, just real fast before we finish the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do the blue-green side off camera, and because it's pretty much the same thing, it's just different colors, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show it and just kind of speed through this too. So now we're gonna do blush. I haven't been feeling highlighter lately, but you can obviously do that. So I'm gonna use the Milani Luminoso blush. I'm just gonna use my E4 brush. This will add a little glow to our skin. Okay, so I'm gonna contour my nose with the butter bronzer using the E62 brush. But I'm going to take just a little bit of our translucent powder and kind of just highlight down our nose. So I'm just going to take whatever brush. We're going to spray our face. I'm going to use the Milani matte What's it called? The Matte Make It Last setting spray. I'm gonna apply some lower lash mascara off camera. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Okay, so as usual, the lips took me 5 million years to come up with something. So I'm just wearing literally the NYX Soft Spoken Lip Liner all over my lips, outlined and filled in. And then I just slightly went over it with the NYX Butter Gloss and Tiramisu. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup tutorial. This was a super easy, colorful look and it didn't take me long. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of this look, and I'll see you in my next one.